Well, the centre has set a target of providing skill development to 10 crore 46 lakh people in the next 7 years. And 5,32,000 people have been registered so far across the country till the 30th of November last year, and about 4,40,000 people have already been trained. Now, the government is working with industry to provide the best skills training to the youth. More in this report.
With the objective of amalgamating industry with the Skill India mission in a holistic and comprehensive manner, the government met with top industry leaders in Mumbai. Urban Development Minister Venkaiah Naidu steered the conclave along with Rajiv Pratap Rudy, Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Different programs on skill development at the National Industry Conclave on Skills were deliberated upon, and future plan of action was discussed to take forward these initiatives. Government has indicated a positive reaction from the private sector during the conclave.
इस योजना के तहत मूल रूप से जो अंतिम कड़ी का नौजवान है, जो शिक्षा से जो छूट गया हो या शिक्षा नहीं प्राप्त कर पाया हो या असंगठित लोग हों, उन सब को कौशल से जोड़ करके ताकि उनकी आय बढ़ सके, उन्हें रोजगार मिल सके, उद्योग घरानों को इस काम से जोड़ने का एक राष्ट्रीय पहल का प्रयास किया गया है.
The Tata Group announced it would start 40 skill centers. Government said there is a shortage of skilled workforce in the world, and India's biggest asset is its workforce. Government said it has started Skill India to train the country's workforce, and that assistance of the private sector is important. It said it is committed to opening a skill development center in Lok Sabha constituency till 2017.
There is a skill development center. You can call it as National Skill Development Center, or you can call it as Skill Development Center sponsored by so-and-so, supported by so-and-so. The banks also can be roped in. The banks also can join the funding scheme, and the banks have been already told to fund the people who are trained.
Issues like public-private participation, reforms in skills for industrial development, and improving livelihood in rural India through Skill India were discussed during the conclave. Apart from Urban Development Minister Venkaiah Naidu and Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar, Road Transport and Highways Minister Nitin Gadkari, Rural Development Minister Chaudhry Birendra Singh, Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis were also present at the conclave. Ministers discussed in detail various issues with the heads of companies belonging to Tata, TCS, Reliance Communication, Bharati Airtel, JSW Steel, Reliance Industries, GVK, GMR and SR. The conclave will be organized every year, and ministries and companies will take part in it. Centre has set a target of providing skill development to 10 crore 46 lakh people in the next 7 years. Under the initiative, 5,32,000 people have been registered across the country till 30th November 2015, and 4,38,000 have been trained. 70 different schemes under the Skill India have been started, whose primary objective is to train people as per different requirement in different job areas. With inputs from Yogesh Sheetal in Mumbai, Newsnight Desk, DD News.